Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I we got a really cool Photoshop tutorial for you. We are going to remove the background from an image and place it onto a brand new background.
Yes, this is.
And not just that, I also show you how to match the color so everything blends in perfectly and looking super clean and aesthetic. Alright, let's jump right in. First, I am going to select the object selection tool from the toolbar on the right. Then we make a selection around the object and Photoshop will automatically select it accurately. Next, I selected the selection tool and then I went to the top menu and click on select and mask. Then I scrolled down and clicked on decontaminative color. After that, I selected new layer and hit OK. Next, go to the layer panels. Open the adjustment layer options and select the curve. Next, go to the layers panel and choose curve instead of selection in mask. Then into the curves panel, you will see three eyedropper on the right side. One of shadow, one for highlights and one for mid-tone. Double click on the highlight eyedropper and the color picker will open. Then go to the background image and click on highlight area using the eyedropper tool. After that, just hit OK to set it as the default color. Repeat the same step for the gray and shadow eyedroppers. Next, single click the shadow eyedrop and click on the shadow area of the object layer. Photoshop will apply the color we pick early using the highlight eyedropper. Repeating the same process of the remaining eyedropper to apply the color. Then we lower the opacity a little to make the image look more realistic and that our final image is completely ready. If you are enjoy this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.